Best point-and-shoot cameras for every occasion in 2023. Welcome back, camera enthusiasts, to another exciting episode of our YouTube channel. Today, we have a topic that's sure to pique your interest: the best point-and-shoot cameras of 2023. Let's dive right in. Schmidt Spiele. Let's delve deeper into our list, starting with the Schmidt Spiele camera. This meticulously crafted device stands out with its blend of elegance and functionality. The moment you hold it, the carefully engineered sleek design merges seamlessly with an interface that welcomes both novices and seasoned photographers. Embarking on your photographic journey with the Schmidt Spiele is like having a trusty companion by your side. Its advanced autofocus system, equipped with cutting-edge technology, guarantees that even the most fleeting of moments are captured in all their glory. Never again will you have to worry about missing that perfect shot due to focus delays. But that's not all. The Schmidt Spiele camera has been designed with the explorer in mind. Its compact size is a testament to its portability, making it an ideal companion for your expeditions into the world of photography. Whether you're hiking through breathtaking landscapes or strolling through a bustling city, this camera effortlessly tags along, always ready to capture life's most picturesque instances. KAMKORY. Moving ahead in our exploration of top-notch point-and-shoot cameras, we arrive at the KAMKORY camera, a true marvel that captures the essence of distant wonders and brings them closer than ever before. This is not merely a camera, it's a window to the world, enhancing your visual experience with every shot you take. The KAMKORY camera stands as a testament to the art of zoom technology. Its impressive zoom capabilities transport you to places that were once seemingly out of reach. Whether you're gazing at elusive wildlife in a distant landscape or capturing intricate architectural details from afar, the KAMKORY camera's zoom lens unlocks a world of possibilities. This is a tool that transforms your vision into reality, expanding your photographic horizons beyond the conventional. The tactile pleasure of its controls is matched only by its robust build quality. Every button press and dial turn resonates with a sense of purpose and precision, reminding you that you're in command of a tool that's designed to excel in every environment. Whether you're capturing the energy of an urban metropolis or the tranquility of remote wilderness, the KAMKORY camera remains steadfast, delivering results that mirror your artistic intent. KODAK EKTAR H35. Now let's shift our gaze to a camera that bridges the past and the present, combining the charm of yesteryear with the technological marvel of today. The KODAK EKTAR H35. This camera is more than a piece of equipment. It's a time capsule that evokes a sense of nostalgia while offering a contemporary photographic experience. This is a beautiful ode to classic design. Its aesthetics pay homage to the iconic film cameras that have shaped the history of photography. As you hold this camera, you can't help but feel connected to a legacy of image makers who captured moments that defined eras. It stands as a bridge between generations, inviting both vintage enthusiasts and modern explorers to partake in its unique charm. Beyond its aesthetics, this Kodak boasts modern features that ensure your photographic journey remains in step with the present. Its fixed lens is a testament to the power of simplicity, delivering striking image quality that's devoid of unnecessary complexities. With manual controls at your fingertips, you're empowered to shape your shots with precision, adding a personal touch to every frame. For those who appreciate the marriage of history and innovation, the KODAK EKTAR H35 beckons. Through the link in the description, you can uncover a camera that celebrates the essence of photography's evolution. Ricoh GR IIIx. Continuing our journey through the realm of exceptional point-and-shoot cameras, we arrive at the remarkable Ricoh GR IIIx. This camera isn't just a device, it's a testament to the fusion of power and portability. Designed to elevate your photography game to new heights without burdening you with unnecessary bulk, the Ricoh GR IIIx is a masterclass in compact excellence. Its unassuming exterior belies the technological prowess within. Armed with a large sensor, this camera redefines what's possible in a small form factor. Its ability to capture incredible detail and dynamic range rivals that of much larger counterparts, making it a versatile companion for both street photography and spontaneous on-the-go captures. But the GR IIIx isn't just about impressive hardware, it's about control. The customizable buttons and dials offer a level of personalization that's rarely found in a compact camera. This means that every shot can be tailored to your preferences, allowing you to adapt to different shooting scenarios with ease. Furthermore, the built-in image stabilization ensures that camera shake doesn't stand between you and your creative vision. Sony ZV-1 II. Concluding our exhilarating exploration of the best point-and-shoot cameras of 2023, we arrive at the sensational Sony ZV-1 II. This Sony ZV-1 II is a vlogger's dream realized. Its thoughtfully designed flip-out screen is a gateway to capturing engaging self-portraits, creating immersive vlogs, and ensuring that you're always framed perfectly, whether you're in front or behind the lens. This camera understands the demands of modern content creation and seamlessly adapts to meet them. In addition to its video prowess, the ZV-1 II is a formidable photographic tool. Its real-time autofocus technology ensures that even fast-moving subjects remain in focus, preserving the energy and emotion of your scenes. Furthermore, the built-in microphone captures crystal-clear audio, sparing you the need for external recording equipment and allowing you to focus on your creative process. For YouTubers, vloggers, and content creators, the Sony ZV-1 II is more than just a camera. It's a gateway to captivating storytelling.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.